Cha-ching!
Hey guys, it's been a while since my last video, and honestly, not much has happened. That's because we were busy traveling on a slightly larger boat. After checking out a few different countries, we are back home, and it's time to get some work done. First up is taking off the 36-year-old Outboard. So I hopped on Facebook Marketplace, and I picked up a cheap 1-ton shop crane. I think I've mentioned it before, but the 36-year-old transom on this Bayhawk still feels really solid to me. The previous owner stored the motor trimmed all the way up, and the trim and tilt was still holding pressure, so I used the bleeder screw to lower the motor. Once down, I started cutting all the wires and cables going to the motor. Now, I understand this might bother some of you, but I have no interest in this motor, or the time it takes to derig all of this. Plus, it was in poor condition anyway. The motor came off easier and quicker than I thought it would. The shop crane makes this way easier than trying to muscle it or use a floor jack under the skeg. My trusty old Ryobi impact gun removed the old bolts with ease. I tossed the old motor up on Facebook Marketplace, and the new owner picked it up the next morning.
Cha-ching!
With the outboard removed, I could check out the transom better. I was expecting it to be shot, but honestly, I'm not finding anything to be concerned about. I'll drill some test holes to make sure once the carpet is removed, but I expect to keep it intact as of right now. I'll be continuing the teardown next week, so I'll have some more updates soon. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.
Cha-ching!